This gear spindle is broken beyond recognition, yet they still dared to bring it in for repairs. If this were back home, the shop owner would have kicked you out immediately. But luckily, we're in Pakistan, where anything can be fixed. The skilled Pakistani technician assured me this was a minor issue and could be repaired for just 2,000 rupees, with a 6-month warranty included. The glue will not work for a spindle break like this, and direct welding will not meet the strength requirements. The technician first reconnects the 2 broken pieces of the spindle and then uses a ruler to measure the original length, ensuring the repaired spindle matches the original size. After carefully recording all the data, he fixes the spindle head onto the lathe. Since the broken end isn't smooth, he uses a thread cutter to smooth the surface. To make the subsequent welding more secure, he also carves out an angle on the end, increasing the welding area so the 2 ends can be joined more firmly. After finishing the slope, the technician drills a secondary step in the center of the spindle to ensure the 2 parts align perfectly. He then uses a twist drill to enlarge the hole, adjusting it precisely to the desired size. Once the hole is prepared, he taps threads into it, ensuring the spindle is concentric and strengthens the joint. With the threading complete, the spindle head is ready. Next, the technician moves on to the other end of the spindle, repeating the process of smoothing the torn surface and carving out an angle. The technician finds a suitable steel rod for joining, since the spindle's overall length has been shortened due to machining. He measures the steel rod's exact dimensions to determine the correct hole size for the spindle. After drilling a pilot hole in the spindle, he uses a twist drill to enlarge it, preventing the drill bit from skipping or shifting. Once the hole is done, the technician compares it to the steel rod's diameter and finds a slight discrepancy. He carefully shaves down the rod's diameter to perfectly match the spindle's hole. After ensuring the rod fits, he taps threads onto the rod to match the threads inside the spindle head, enhancing the joint's overall strength. With high-precision equipment, the technician skillfully threads the steel rod. The spindle head can be joined to the spindle smoothly, with no perceptible error in the threading. After completing the joint, he measures the spindle again to ensure it matches the original factory dimensions. The technician starts the lathe to test the spindle's alignment, confirming it is perfectly concentric and aligned. Now, it's ready to be welded together. As he welds each layer, he knocks off the slag from the weld surface to release stress and prevent impurities from contaminating the weld. After meticulous welding, the joint is finally complete. He uses a lathe tool to smooth out the protruding welds, making the welded area look even better. Since the spindle's thickness varies in sections, the technician expertly machines the corresponding parts. For an 8th-level machinist, this is a routine operation, and soon, the spindle is restored to its original state. Truly impressive. Let's give a round of applause for the skilled craftsmanship of our Pakistani technician.